This is our HF-800 excavator model. It'll split anything you put in front of it. Full tree stumps, full length trees, any diameter. It's got 15,000 foot-pounds of torque. It's mainly for busting trees going into the tuck grinders or horizontal grinders. The 800s need a case-drain line and any auxiliary hydraulic circuit. So any thumb circuit on an excavator or any auxiliary circuit on a skid steer comes with a standard with the excavator pin-on excavator brackets. This goes on any excavator from around a 17,000 pound machine on up. So we require around 50 gallons a minute and 5,000 PSI to run this properly. If the excavator does not offer that, then we can go to the 800 2-speed, and that will compensate for the less hydraulic pressure and flow with a 2-speed motor. Now the 2-speed has the same torque, same specifications as the HF-800, but we don't need the 5,000 PSI. We can run at 3,400 PSI and 30 gallons a minute and get the same speed and torque that we're getting out of the 800 on a big excavator. The customer can run it on a full-size excavator or a skid steer with high flow and not lose any performance out of it. Great for making to a job site and doing some cleanup on a landing or something like that and not have to haul a full-size excavator. You can just take the skid steer on a truck and a trailer. So this is the HF-800 cone. Every revolution this cone makes, it's going 1 inch into the log. So it's very fast feeding. It is 1144 tool steel that has been flame hardened. To change this out, you just simply remove the bolts from the back side here and you can put a new cone on. Most companies have a backup cone so that when they do abrade the threads after time, they take this off, send it back to US Pride to get rethreaded, and put a backup cone on and rotate inventory accordingly. This 800 has a 360 rotating grapple mounted on the bottom side of it. That gives the operator the ability to grab logs, pull them off the pile, move them, and then put the grapple back away, locking it like it is now secured to the frame. Use the cone to split the logs, and then open the grapple back up again, pick up the split logs and put them into the grinder or the processor or whatever you're doing. This also comes with the controllers that go inside the cab. You have 2 foot controls, one to run the grapple rotation, one to run the grapple open and close, and then your thumb switch will run all 3, that rotation of the cone and the grapple functions. This turns your excavator into a 360 rotating grapple and a tree splitter all in one. So this is our electrovalve manifold that is required for the grapple. You don't need this to run the HF-800 splitter, but if you want to run the grapple function, this manifold is required to take your 5,000 PSI, 50 gallon a minute hydraulics that you're going to use to run the 800 splitter, and we need to choke that down to 2,000 PSI and 20 gallons a minute to run a grapple. So this electrovalve will do that.